Good morning, students. Last class explained articles. Here is A and the are called articles. Look at the blackboard, children. A and the are called articles. A and should be used here is indefinite articles is there. Indefinite articles. This called here is definite article. A and indefinite articles, the definite article. So as you know, here is A and should be used determined by sound itself. Determined by sound itself. So A or and. Last class I told you that is, for example, E that is E or O or U. They are vowels. But here is Englishman, European. Englishman refers to here is an Englishman. European refers to a European. What is the difference between here? E. But here is English. E sound is here vowel sound. But E is here is YU sound. YU sound is here is consonant sound, U sound. So, a European and Englishman. Okay, next O for example. Orphan, orphan, an orphan, an orphan. 1 rupee, 1 rupee note. Yeah. What is the difference between here is orphan, an orphan, and 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note, wa sound, W-A, wa sound, a 1 rupee note. Here is orphan, a sound which belongs to vowel sound, so an orphan. But here is wa sound, 1 rupee, wa, W-A, W-A, wa sound. So, a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. Now, here is only, we should write a or and its sound, depend upon its sound itself, not for the letters. So, children, listen carefully. Here we should write article a or and, depend upon, that is, here is sound basis. What is? Sound basis, not for the letters. Okay, you find A, E, I, O, U vowels. If you find any, and that is a vowel, a word which begins with a vowel, a word which begins with a vowel. So don't write blindly and. Don't write blindly and. So it is very important, children. Here is this. Next, U. For example, university. Uniform. University uniform. Union. A. Why? Because there is U sound. Why U sound? Why U sound? A union, A university, A uniform. For example, here is ulcer. Unfortunate. Ulcer, unfortunate. Umbrella. A sound here is there. And here is A sound, vowel sound. A. Ulcer, A. Unfortunate, A. Umbrella, A. And. But here is union, U. University, U. Uniform, U. YU sound. This is A. This is N. So children, so here is these are that is E O U, that is jumbles. Actually these are vowels, but we should very careful write A or N. We decide that is you find only sound itself, but some are begin with vowel letters, but they don't have vowel sound. Their sound belong to consonant. Their sound belong to consonant. Now children, so you have to note down E, O, U, these are jumbles. E, O, U are jumbles. Now children, here is next some jumbles we have to see A. Okay, just note down children. Now children, see these words here is, look at, these words are there. Jumbles A, here is NRI, NCC, NA, MLA, RBI, RMP, RTC, LIC, LKG, SP, SI. So these are all abbreviations. Children, these are all abbreviations. Now, all are consonants. All are consonants and abbreviations. Consonants. But what about the sound? So here is NRI, A, N. N means here is A sound. This is A sound. NRI, NRI. So N means here is the sound is here is vowel sound. So we should write NRI. NCC, N here is like N, A. The sound is here is N, A. NCC and NCC. A sound is there and MA. MLA, M here like here. M and MLA. RBI, R. The sound is here RBI, R and RBI. RMP, R. Here and RMP. RTC, here is sound is here is RTC and RTC. Now look at this children. These are all consonants. All begin with consonant letters. All are abbreviations. Okay. But we have to check the sound. Here is NRI, N, NRI. NCC, N, M. Vowel sound, here is MA. MLA also vowel sound. Here is RBI, R and RBI. RMP, R and RMP. RTC and RTC. Now look at here is LIC, LA and LIC. LKG student, LLB student is there. LKG or LLB here. And LLB and LKG. SI, A, here is there, SI. SI and SI, SP, A and SP. X-ray, here is there, X-ray. And X-ray. And X-ray. Children, These are all consonants. These are all consonants, but beginning with all consonants, but their sound belong to vowel. Their sounds belong to vowel. So we should write article and instead of a. Last time we should write article a instead of an because those are vowels, letters, but they have sound, consonant sound. So we should write article a. But these are consonant letters, but sounds belongs to vowel. So we should write an instead of a. Now children, these are there is some more information regarding articles a and an. Next children, I should here is some blanks is there, but the article, definite article, 3 points I am going to here there. So read textbook, page number 30. These is used before the word phrase here is unique things. As you know, unique things means here sun, star, earth, moon, sky. These are all that is unique things. These are all unique things. So we should write article. The unique things means only one thing in the nature. Only one thing in the universe. Sun is only one. Earth is only one. Sky is one. Star is one. There will be no substitutes. Especially unique things. So we should write article. The sun rises in the east. The moon is bright. Okay. So now children, next point. In situations where the sentence itself contains a clue to identity of the things or the person. For example, his advice to young scientists was also to look at the world around them. In social situations where the identifier of the person object is understood. But look here, Krishna, he said turning to the young man here particularly. Before the names of musical instruments, violin, guitar, tabla, veena. So these are all musical instruments. Okay, flute also. So we should use the veena, the violin, the guitar, the tabla. Okay, now children, Roman 3, page number 13. There's some here is some 10 examples. Just I am going to read and say answer along with you, but explanation is very important. Listen explanation, not for answer. In 1987, MS Swaminathan was awarded dash Raman Magsaysay Award. So particular award here is mentioned in the sentence. So we should write article the name of the award particular, the Raman Magsaysay Award. Generally we should write the name of the person. We should not write any article A or N or D. But here we should write article before here Raman Magsaysay Award, not the name of the award. So we should write the next point. We denied yesterday at dash Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Generally here is mentioned the particular hotel, so we should write article D. For example, I went to dinner, that is the Ailapuram Hotel. That dinner here is mentioned particular hotel. Tejaswini lent me dash interesting book. Interesting means here vowel sound. Interesting E, an interesting book, one book. And one more important is A or N should be used in the sense of only one sense. Only one sense. Singular countable nouns. My father is dash school teacher. A, only one, that is a school teacher. MS Swaminathan worked at dash Indian Agriculture Research Institute, name of the organization. So we should write article D. Next. Rekha bought dash long notebook yesterday. A, one book she used. So she bought one book, so a long notebook. Seventh one. Shravani is eating dash mango now. One mango. So a mango means one mango. So a mango. Ganesh always carries dash umbrella. How many umbrellas carrying Ganesh? An umbrella. Only one umbrella. So an umbrella. Ninth one. Rambam is dash English teacher in a high school. English teacher E sound, vowel sound, and English teacher only one teacher. Manjula and Shruti play dash guitar well. Guitar is the name of the musical instrument. So we should write article D. Now children, here observe, we should Articles are A and D, but we should use article D, definite article, before names of the generally names of unique things. And here is musical instruments and particular awards and particular places here. So A should be used before words beginning with consonant sound, and should be used words beginning with vowel sound. Okay, children. So this is that is additional information for you and for further classes. Okay, you should note down and that is keep these points all together. Otherwise, by next class I shall explain the lesson reading C. By next class, here there look at the children. There is Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. See you children by next class. Thank you.